Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable developer tab in Microsoft Excel. We can see this is a developer tab. You want to enable this tab. So click on File, then Options, and here guys you have to click on this Customize ribbon, and here find out developer tab, this one. So in case it's not selected, so just guys you need to check this box and click on OK. So this way you can enable this developer tab. Very simple, in just 2 or 3 steps. File, Options, Customize ribbon, and check this box for developer and click on OK. So thanks for watching. This is the way to enable developer tab in Excel.